Hey guys, I'm Calvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be showing you how to add lightboxes to your Wix site. Hey guys, I'm currently in the Wix editor, and today we'll be talking about adding lightboxes to your web page. Lightboxes are pop-up boxes that show up after a set amount of time. This pop-up is content that asks the user to either do something or just provides the user with some additional information. But what all lightboxes have in common is that they show up in front of your page's content. To add a lightbox, click the Add button on the left, go down to Lightbox, and then you'll be faced with a few preset designs that have been created by Wix. What we'll do is basically create our lightbox from scratch, and I'll show you how easy it is to add the individual elements to your lightbox. So let's just drag the first one in, just pop it into the Wix editor, and then you'll see on the top left, it will take you to Lightbox mode. You can go into Lightbox mode and out of Lightbox mode really easily as well by pressing the little cross over here. And then to go back into Lightbox mode, press the icon titled Menus and Pages, and then you will see the Lightbox tab over here. Click on the one we've just dragged into our Wix editor, and it will take you back to Lightbox mode. We're just deleting all the content of the Lightbox and adding our own content to it. To add content to your Lightbox, press the Design button. What we'll do first of all is change the background color of our lightbox. I'm just going to choose this one over here. And now that we have the background color, we can add some information. To make our information more clear, I'm going to add a semi-transparent box just in front of the background over here. This will make the text that we add more clear to the user. To add a box, press Add, go on Box, and we'll just drag in a themed box to the lightbox. Make sure you attach it to the lightbox as well by dragging it over it. Double click on the box, press Customize Design, and then we will drag the slider to reduce the transparency of the box. Next, we will add a title, press Add, go on Text, and then drag in the heading. I'm going to rename this to Subscribe. I'm also going to change the color of the text to black. And then I'll use the Wix form option to prompt the user to type in their email address in a box over here. I'm going to press Add, Contact, drag this in. Make sure you drag it in and attach it to the lightbox. If you would like more information regarding contact forms and how to navigate around them, adjust the settings and everything like that, please check out my channel as I have a video dedicated to adding forms to your Wix page. I'm just going to change the background of this form to transparent. Design, Customize Design, Full Color and Opacity. Click on Container Box, and then reduce the background to 0. I'm going to go out of this. So now when we preview it, the user will type in the email address, and then we will have acquired the user's email address, which will be added to our contact database. So now that we've designed our lightbox, we can adjust the settings. To adjust the settings, press the Settings button. Set Triggers and the Settings button are exactly the same. For your reference, you can rename your lightbox. So if you scroll down to the setting, which pages is it on? You can choose which page you want your lightbox to show up on. Bear in mind that it's important not to prompt the lightbox to be displayed on every page on your website, as this may annoy users as the lightbox will keep on showing up every single time they navigate around your website. So the lightbox is set to automatically come up after a duration of 2 seconds. So 2 seconds after the user visits the home page, the lightbox will show up. You can adjust this delay by dragging the slider up and down. And at the bottom, you can define how the user will exit from your lightbox. So you can either have a close button, which will come up at the bottom here, or you can have an X icon, which will show up on the top right. So now, if we go out of this and publish our page and visit our live website by pressing this button, we will wait 2 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, and our lightbox will show up. So the user can easily exit the lightbox by pressing the exit button at the top, or they can enter their email address. When they press the button at the top, it will take them back to your web page. So now I'm going to go on my About page that I created earlier. And on our About page, I've added a button titled Subscribe to our newsletter. What we can do with this is we can actually link our button to the lightbox that we created. So when the user clicks on this button, it will actually bring up the lightbox. This is just a different method than having the lightbox automatically appear. What is good about this is that if your user clicks on a specific area on your web page, you can create lightbox pop-ups that will capture their attention with information that will be specific to the area that they are looking at. So to link a lightbox to this button, just click on it, press link, and at the bottom you will see the lightbox option. Click on it, and then we can link this to the subscribe lightbox that we created earlier. Press done. If we go on preview and click on the button, the lightbox will pop up. So this concludes creating lightboxes on Wix. Lightboxes are fantastic if you want to capture your users' attention with targeted information. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the video description below. It basically tells Wix that you joined through me and helps me out a lot. If you would like to see more videos on Wix tutorials, check out my YouTube channel as I have quite a few on there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.